guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here or you just happen to stumble across this video, then my name is Toya. And go ahead and subscribe and you might find something that you like. So I have a lot of different things that interest me, so I talk about a lot of different things. I talk about career, I talk about hair, I talk about makeup, and now I'm starting to get a little bit more into skincare. I just ordered some new skincare products, so I'll probably be talking about that at some point or another. But go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And in this video, we are going to be talking about lip gloss. So I decided that I want to start making lip gloss. I know everybody's making lip gloss. It doesn't matter. There might be a million people making lip gloss and I'm just going to be number 1,000,001. So if you can have a different stream or multiple streams of income, then why not? And this could possibly be another stream of income for me. So why not try my hand? I'm always trying new things, and this is another venture that I'm wanting to try. So I have recently been ordering several things, and this is just an unboxing to show you all what I have been ordering. So I have been ordering from TKB and Amazon. So I'm going to show you, first I'm going to show you the products that I ordered from TKB. So since this whole COVID-19 thing has started, my husband has been very particular about packages coming in the house. So I just left these outside in the garage until I was ready to unbox them. So I'm just going to unbox them with you guys. So since this whole COVID-19 thing has started, have any of you developed any kind of things that you're particular about? Do you not like packages coming in the house, or do you wear gloves everywhere you go, or do you wear your mask everywhere you go? I do wear a mask when I go in the stores. I do make sure that I have on a mask. But yeah, so let me know below what you've developed, what sort of things you're doing to stay safe. Okay, so we'll start with the items from TKB. So I ordered some glitter and pigments from them, and they're really cheap, but they're the sample sizes, so they're not very big. But these are some of the colors that I got. So hopefully these will look really cute. So those are some of the colors that I have, and if everything works out like I plan on it, then, you know, if I need to get bigger sizes, I will go ahead and order bigger sizes. But hopefully these samples will go a long way. So those are the pigments and the glitters. And then I ordered some lip liquids. These are my lip liquids. And these sizes, these look like these will last a while, because when I did my research, I read that you don't need a lot, just a couple of drops. So I'm starting off with 5 lip liquids, and hopefully I can come up with some good colors. And then I have a couple of flavoring oils, and they smell so good. Okay, so this one I got vanilla, and it smells just like vanilla. It smells really good. And I also got strawberry. And the strawberry smells good as well. So I'm working with some flavoring oils, and then I also got the hydrogenated polyisobutane. And as I was doing my research, I read that just kind of helps the lip gloss feel, you know, smoother and silkier. So I just wanted to try that out, and I'm sure I'm going to have to play around with my gloss to find out what I like. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be making some gloss really soon, and I will film that so you guys can see how it goes. So hopefully it goes well. I've been doing a lot of research, so I hope that it goes well, but I know that it'll probably be trial and error. And then I ordered some Versagel, which this little thing, when I got it, it made me mad because I don't think I realized how big, or should I say how small 5.5 ounces is, but it is quite small. I don't know what I can do with this, so I'll probably just, you know, make some sample batches and see how they turn out. And I'm gonna have to go ahead and order some more of this. And the last thing from TKB that I got were these squeeze tubes. I got the flat top squeeze tubes, and they have the little top and the little insert and the top that comes with it. So I'm going to have to sterilize all of this, and then yeah. So once I sterilize it or clean it really well, it'll be good to go. I also ordered some wand tubes, but those are taking a while to ship, so I don't have those to show you all. So I also ordered some things from Amazon, so now we're going to start on those products. Now the stuff from Amazon came pretty quickly, so that's just been sitting in the garage waiting for me to open it, but I wanted to wait until everything got here so that I could open it with you guys at one time. So I got some grapeseed oil. I'm just gonna, like I said, play around with the mixtures and the oils and everything to see what works and what doesn't work. And then this is my fractionated coconut oil, a liquid coconut oil. These are probably last forever. These are 16 ounces and they seem like they will last for a pretty long time. And then I also got some vitamin E oil. Let's see, what else did I get? Okay, and then I got some more glitter. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Some more glitter. So this size looks pretty decent. It looks like, so this glitter looks like it might last a while. So we'll see. And these are the syringes. In here, and I believe these are the 20 millimeter syringes, and four come in a pack. Four, and then let's see. And these are the pipettes. And this bag is huge. There's a lot of pipettes in here. So it looks like this bag will last me a while. And then this is just some more glitter that I got. One is gold flakes, and these are the silver flakes, and all of the glitter is cosmetic grade. So I made sure I didn't want craft glitter or anything like that. So I got all cosmetic grade glitter. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And there are more things that I'm going to order. And when I get those, I will show you guys.
That is it for the channel.
You want to sit up here? So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you decide to follow me as I try to figure out my new business venture. And on trying to make some gloss soon, so I will be sure to post that and show you guys how that goes for me. And I'm also going to be talking, like I said, I like to talk about several different things, and I'm also going to have some skincare videos coming up. I ordered some new skincare products that I want to try out, so if skincare is something that interests you, then certainly tune in for that, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Here Is Toya. And that is it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye.